we're doing another tutorial today. This is Bale with just one more project. Today, I've actually taken a file that I've created, has a really fun basket weave kind of backer on it, and then a frame in the front. And I wanted to show you guys a way that you can customize it and make it a really fun product to sell in your small businesses. So here is the file. Hold on, there we go. That's the file right there, and that's what you would get once you purchase the backer file. So this right here, hold on, let's make this easier to see. This right here is the frame, and then there's a backer piece, and then this right here is the well, not that. This right here is the part that you would score. So see that right there. So let's get that all back to where it was. And I'm going to show you guys how to customize it with a name. So let's do it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my text tool. We're going to start off by using this font that kind of looks like handwriting. I think it's called, hold on. And you guys, picking fonts is like the hardest thing for me. It's really, really tough. It's like such a hard decision. Okay, the font, I will link the font below also. So this kind of looks like handwriting. We're gonna make, my daughter's having a birthday party, or my daughter is going to a birthday party. And I thought it'd be fun to give her friend a little customized little name sign for her door. So I kind of like how that looks. I've kind of made it a little bit bigger, and I kind of do not want it to just fit in the frame. I wanted it to kind of come out just like this, how I have it here, which is what I'm gonna make it look like. Okay, so a couple of steps once you do this. If you like how that looks, you're gonna go ahead and create outlines on that. And I actually want to engrave this, so I am not going to increase the stroke weight like I usually do. I kind of like that. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to paste it off to the side, and this is what we're going to work on. Okay, so I am going to create an offset for it, so make sure it's clicked on, and we're going to go over to Effect, and you're going to go to Path, Offset Path. And I don't really like that. I want it to be a little bit thicker. So first I'm going to round the edges, and instead of like 0.13, let's like maybe do 0.23. Let's see if I like that or not. I kind of want more. All right, let's do that again. And you can play with this. Let's go to offset path. So instead of 0.23, let's do 0.43. Okay, I kind of like that, right? Okay, so now you've got this little, the outline in here, but you want to expand it so that you can get a path all the way around that. So I'm going to highlight all of it, and I'm going to go to Edit, Expand Appearance, and then what you'll see is that it created a path all the way around. So then you're going to go ahead and unite that, because you can see that there's some pieces kind of like around here and here, and you want to unite them because you do not want your Glowforge to cut them out. So that looks pretty good to me. So I'm going to make that an outline, so you can, and then I'm going to bring it over, and I'm going to look at how pretty. Okay, and I'm going to make sure that it is perfectly centered. And now here's the tricky part. So you do not want to click on any of these backer pieces. So I'm going to actually move them. I'm going to move them away so they do not bug me. And I'm going to click on this outline, and then I'm going to click on just the frame, and then I'm going to unite them. And now you see that you've got the whole thing united. So if you go ahead and have this cut, it's going to cut this whole frame, but it's going to cut around this offset too. But there's something that I noticed, this little piece right here. You can keep it if you want. I don't like it, so I'm going to double click it, and I'm going to hit the delete button and make it go away. Okay, so that is good to go. You got to get this ready for your laser, so go ahead and get this back over here. And then I want to make sure that the name cyan is in a different color. So I'm going to go ahead and make it, let's do green. Okay, and then I've got this right here is set as a stroke, so it is gonna cut, and that is good to go.